I'm going to show you how I make my own catfish rig with this fishing tackle here, -1. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull my main line out from my rod and reel. And I'm going to make this fishing rig with 2 surgeon loop knots, that's it. So I'm going to come down to the bottom of my line and make my first loop knot. So I'm just going to fold this over and make a double overhand knot. Go through once, go through twice, pull it tight. That's a surgeon's loop knot. Cut your tag. Here's a close-up look how we tie our loop knot. It's the surgeon's loop knot. Fold your line over about 6 inches. And you're just going to make a regular double knot. Going to bring this loop through there once. Then you're going to bring that loop through there twice. Cut your tag. Now I'm going to come up from this bottom loop about 12 to 18 inches and make my second loop knot. So what I'm going to do here is fold that line over right in the middle there. And once again I'm going to make an overhand double knot. Going to go through there once. Going to go through there twice. Now you're going to see that this loop knot does not have a tag line. So that's going to be our catfish rig. And here's the items or the tackle that we need, minus this one thing. I'm taking the swivel out because I don't use swivels. Never have, never will, no need for it. On the bottom loop knot, I'm going to attach my fishing hook. I'm going to pinch that loop so I can get it through the eye of the hook. Put that loop through the eye of the hook and just bring it over the hook and pull tight like that. Now this is how the loop knot goes on the fishing hook. Get that loop and pinch it. And you're going to put that loop right through the eye of that hook. Then the loop goes over the fishing hook. Then you pull it back. This should be about a 3/0 circle hook. Now I'm going to come up to this loop knot and I'm going to put my weight on it. What we have here is a 2-ounce coin sinker. And the reason I use this is because it's flat and it'll lay on the bottom and the current won't push it away. Once again, I'm going to get my loop. I'm going to pinch the end so it'll go through the eye of the weight. Put it through, bring it over the weight, like that. Pinch the end of that loop so you can get it through the eye of the weight. Put it through the eye, bring it over the weight. That also can be removed. Next, we're going to get our live bluegill. And hook it through the back of the circle hook. Now how this is going to work is you're going to cast this out and this coin sinker is going to get stuck in the mud. But this fishing hook with your live bait is going to be pushed around in the current. The fish will also swim around. So this is going to be out dancing around, but this will be stationary. Now if you don't have any luck with the bluegills, try a piece of liver. Liver works every time. Put the piece of liver on this circle hook and you'll catch a nice catfish. Thanks for watching.